Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are beginning with the event. Request you to kindly take your seats. Requesting everyone to kindly On behalf of Dhabriya Polywood Limited and the Bombay Stock Exchange, I welcome you all in the listing ceremony and thank you for taking time out so early in the day. 12 years ago, exactly in the same month, on 20th of October 1992, this company was incorporated as Dhabriya Agglomerates Private Limited. Between then and now, a lot has changed. The size of the company, the number of offices and employees, the industry, the strategies, and even the name. Renamed as Dhabriya Polywood Limited, the company is founded and promoted by Mr. Digvijay Dhabriya and operates mainly in the sector of manufacturing and selling of PVC, which is polyvinyl chloride profiles, and fabrication of UPVC, doors and windows, partitions, false ceiling, paneling, fencing, prefabricated structures, walls and buildings, and allied products. Basically, things that beautify our houses, which we all know are in high demand. Let's begin with the ceremony, and to start the proceedings, I request our dignitaries to join me on the dais. Welcome with me first Mr. Digvijay Dhabriya, Chairman and Managing Director, Dhabriya Polywood Limited. Welcome, sir. Requesting now the presence of Mr. Hitesh Agarwal, Chief Financial Officer, Dhabriya Polywood Limited. Welcome, sir. Inviting next on the dais, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO of Bombay Stock Exchange, and Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME Segment, BSC Limited. And lastly, requesting the presence of Mr. Gaurav Jain, Director, Hem Securities Limited. Thank you, gentlemen. And now to begin the event, I would request Mr. Digvijay Dhabriya to lead us in the lamp lighting ceremony along with the other members on the dais. I now request Mr. Gaurav Jain, Director, Hem Securities Limited, to kindly come and present to us the welcome note.
Shri Ashish Chauhan ji, CEO and MD, BSc Limited. Shri Ajay Thakur ji, Head, BSc SME. Digvijay Dhabriya ji, Founder, Promoter, Chairman and Managing Director, Dhabriya Polywood Limited. Hitesh ji, Distinguished Board of Directors and Management of Dhabriya Polywood Limited. Valued intermediaries in this IPO process. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you. I would like to thank all of you for being here to witness this momentous occasion, the listing of equity shares of Dhabriya Polywood Limited on SME platform of BSc Limited. In this BSc International Convention Hall has its own historical importance. It has seen listing of many small companies which has ultimately grown into big conglomerate. Just to give you a brief about Dhabriya Polywood Limited, this company is an ISO 9001-2008 and ISO 14001-2004 certified company, and is mainly in business of manufacturing and selling of PVC and UPVC profiles and related products. The entire products is eco-friendly and is manufactured in 3 factory premises located 2 in Jaipur and in Tamil Nadu. In almost 2 decades of its existence, the company has received many awards, including national awards by Government of India. And Dhabriya Polywood Limited also marks its presence on BSc SME as the first company from Jaipur city. I'm happy to share with you that the IPO opened on 29th September and closed on 7th of October. The amount raised was 5.4 crores against requirement of 3.3 crores, which makes an oversubscription of 1.6 times. Also, I would like to share that the entire listing process post-IPO has been completed in T+7. We are listing the company in T+7 days against the available time of T+12. So this is one of the fastest what we have done till now. On behalf of the lead manager to the issue and the issuer company, I would like to congratulate BSE for providing this significant SME platform and playing a catalytic role in development of this, which is very important in our country, which is predominantly SME driven. Also, I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Ashish Chauhan for accepting our request and gracing this occasion with his august presence. Entire BSc SME team, including listing and compliance department, Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head BSc SME, for his always support and guidance. All the intermediaries involved in the IPO process, Mindspread Legal, Orient Printers, Registrar, Big Share, Raka Advertising, statutory auditors Narendra Sharma and Company, peer review auditors SS Rathi and Company, SDFC Bank. Also, my heartiest congratulations and thanks to Team Hem and Team Dhabriya Polywood Limited for their commitment and dedication in the entire IPO process. Most importantly, also would like to thank the investing shareholders who have reposed their faith in this company and invested in the company. We wish Dhabriya Polywood Limited every success in this exciting capital market, providing abundant wealth creation opportunity for the company and for the shareholders of the company. Friends, at Hem Securities, it has been our primary endeavor to handpick quality companies with high growth potential and provide them the dynamic platform of BSc SME. Yesterday also, we have listed one company which was listed at a premium of 15%. Dhabriya Polywood Limited is our 7th SME offering, and we are very proud to be associated with this wonderful and highly energetic young group. In the next week, Hem Securities is listing 2 more companies, providing new avenues of finance to these SMEs. Also would like to share that this year, Hem Securities has listed the largest number of companies on BSc SME platform, and we wish to be the front runner in the times to come with the humble support of you all, our well-wishers. Allow me to take the pause at this junction and reiterate our congratulations to Dhabriya Polywood Limited for successful issuance. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jain. Now to hear it from none other than the Chairman and Managing Director himself, I call Mr. Digvijay Dhabriya, Dhabriya Polywood Limited.
On behalf of Dhabriya Polywood Limited, I welcome Chauhan Sahab, Thakur Sahab, गौरव जैन, हितेश जी, सबसे पहले मैं अपने माता जी को प्रणाम करता हूं, जो कि मेरे लिए हमेशा आदर्श रही हैं, मेरा हमेशा इंस्पायरेशन किया है उन्होंने, हर बुरे वक्त में उन्होंने मुझे मार्गदर्शन दिया है. Now, on behalf of Polywood, Dhabriya Polywood Limited, I give my special thanks to the young trio, Gaurav Jain, Saurabh Jain and Prateek Jain, whose young and dedicated team under the leadership of and the guidance of Hemchand Jain Sahab have given us support, guidance, and with their inspiration we have come to this stage with this IPO and all this. Today our listing ceremony is there, and I thank my team members, especially Hitesh ji, Manoj ji and Goel Sahab, who have done a lot of hard work to make this dream come true. I thank my brother, Dr. Professor Chandrajit Dhabriya, who is always for help, and I give my special thanks to our chartered accountant and our guide, Shri Yogesh Gautam Sahab. Now talking about Bollywood, we have started our company, we have listed our company with the inspiration of my late father, Professor S.S. Dhabriya, who was an environmentalist. He worked for the nature, and we heard a lot of speeches from him in which he was mentioning save trees, do something for the society, do something for the nation, and all this. And after completion of my studies, I have decided to do something in the field of nature. And we have taken this task, and we have taken the motto of save trees, and I have started my work with polymer based wood substitute products. We have started our manufacturing of the polymer based wood substitute products. In that theme, we have started our manufacturing of UPVC, RPVC and other PVC profiles, which are to be used for the wet areas, false ceiling, wall paneling, building construction industry. And today we are manufacturing the UPVC windows, which is now replacing all the conventional windows, other windows, and taking a big market. As we heard a lot about what to do and how to lead a life, good life. So one should contribute to the nation, one should contribute to the society, one should take care of his family and his dreams also. So taking that big motto, we are saving more than, Polywood is in the 19 years of working, 22 years listing time and 19 years of working, we have saved around 30 lakhs trees, which are to be cut if these Polywood products are not available in the market. So this is a big contribution from our side to the nation, to the society. So we are doing social work also by doing this business. We are doing the business also for the future and all this. We are coming out with a lot of new products, and we are working on the products. And this IPO and joining hands with the BSC, and BSC have provided us a platform of investors. Now we can, as we are continuously engaged in the research and development of the thermal break windows, colored windows, and as India is concerned with the safety, so we are coming out with, we are working on this development of safety grill windows. So now in the coming future, we will come out with all these kind of new products in the market. We are working on the profile wrapping projects also. Recently, we are going to import some new machines after this IPO, and so that will be also. Polywood have developed a lot of first time things in India, like the folding doors, the picket fencing, designer doors, colored windows. So these are a lot of things we have done. So we are continuously engaged in the research and development, R&D. And we have done a very good work in the field of extrusion die making. In India, when I have started my company, there was no one who was manufacturing all these extrusion dies and molds in India. We have started our dies and mold division, and now we have proudly, I can say, we have developed more than 500 different designs. First time in Indian market, as per the, although it was all inspiration from all the European and developed countries, but we have taken all our designs as per the Indian condition, in the weather requirements, and we always taken in mind the purchase capability and the requirements of the Indian buyer. And that is our biggest. One of my friend, he is an architect, he always says, your products are eco-friendly, your products are pocket-friendly, and your products are fabrication friendly, because they are very easy to install, they are easy to fabricate, long lasting, fire retardant, and zero maintenance, and 100% recyclable. So our products are fulfill all the requirements of green building norms. They are 100% recyclable, easy to install, light in weight. So a lot of things are from this platform, as you have given me time, although time constraint is there. So in the minutes time, we are in the polymer, but we are using the polymers for the resource saving and natural resource saving, and the life cycle value of all our products is more than 50 years. So we just, our product life cycle value is the most important point. So which is the growth point for our market, and acceptance by all the builders and leading builders is there. So now as the time is going out, I must, I finish here, and I must thank my wife, who is my biggest critic, my inspiration, and always guide me in taking the right decisions at the right time. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Dhabriya. We would now love to hear what a great body like BSE has to say about this IPO. Requesting Mr. Chauhan, MD and CEO of BSE, to kindly say a few words.
Good morning, everybody. I welcome all of you to BSE International Convention Hall for the listing ceremony of Dhabriya Polywood Limited on the BSE SME platform. On behalf of BSE, we would like to welcome Shri Digvijay Dhabriya, Chairman and Managing Director, Dhabriya Polywood Limited; Shri Hitesh Agarwal, Chief Financial Officer, Dhabriya Polywood Limited; Shri Gaurav Jain, Director, HAM Securities Limited; Shri Ajay Thakur, Head SME, BSE Limited. This International Convention Hall has seen the development of Indian capital markets over the past many decades, first as a trading ring for the brokers in the 90s, and then as a convention hall post-digitization. Most of you are aware that BSE was established in 1875 as the Native and Share and Stockbrokers Association. Since its inception, BSE has offered an efficient capital raising platform to companies in India. Dhabriya Polywood Limited is one of the most reputed manufacturers, suppliers, and traders offering products of home decor and interior since 1995. One thing about the company that stands out is that their products, which are sold under the brand Polywood, are wood substitute and have saved lakhs of trees per year, which is a gift to the mankind. Their production process is eco-friendly with minimum effluence or wastage of resources. Dhabriya Polywood Limited entered the primary market on 29 September 2014 with a fixed price issue through a fresh issuance of 22 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. Its IPO was oversubscribed around 1.64 times, overall, with retail category subscribed by 1.65 times and HNI and institutional category oversubscribed by 1.65 times. The issue closed on 7th October 2014 with the final issue price of rupees 15 per share and the total issue size of rupees 3.3 crore. Around 234 retail investors participated in this IPO. The lead manager for Dhabriya Polywood Limited is HAM Securities Limited. With the successful completion of its IPO, Dhabriya Polywood is now the newest member of the BSE family. This is 72nd company to get listed on the BSE SME platform. With the listing process, Dhabriya Polywood has an additional responsibility to all its shareholders. The responsibility also doubles up as they will have to maintain highest standards of transparency and corporate governance. BSE is the world's largest exchange in terms of number of listed companies, which stands over 5,400. In the past couple of years, BSE has launched a number of market-making practices, such as BSE derivatives, BSE SME institutional trading in BSE SME platform, trading in interest rate futures, currency, and so on and so forth. BSE SME platform, which owns a lion's share in the market, has recently crossed $1.5 billion market capitalization. Earlier in February this year, BSE also launched institutional trading platform in the BSE segment to facilitate the startup companies and SMEs to list without an IPO. India's first stock exchange has now also become its fastest as BSE upgraded its trading platform to Bold Plus, a new trading platform which offers a response time of 200 microseconds, several times faster than the nearest competition. In 1 second, there are 1 million microseconds. Traders can now put in around 500,000, that is 5 lakh orders per second, adding a completely new dimension to trading in the history of Indian stock markets. I would like to extend my best wishes to the Dhabriya Polywood Limited and the entire team on this momentous occasion and wish them all the success in its future endeavors. Thank you very much for coming today morning.
Thank you, Mr. Chauhan. Taking this talk further, I now invite Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME Segment, BSE Limited, to talk about the company.
Sri Digvijay Dhabriya ji, Chairman MD, Dhabriya Polywood, Sri Hitesh Agrawal ji, CFO, Dhabriya Polywood, Gaurav Jain, Director, Hem Securities, Sri Ashish Chauhan ji, MD and CEO, Bombay Stock Exchange, distinguished guests. In fact, Sri Dhabriya ji has set a trend. In fact, we are looking for a lot of companies. I know that in Jaipur and Rajasthan region as a whole, there are a lot of companies which can get themselves listed on BSE SME platform. But I think you have shown a great vision by becoming the first company to get listed on this SME platform. We congratulate you for that. I also like to congratulate the whole team of Dhabriya Polywood and the team of Hem Securities, which had done an excellent job by getting the company listed at a fast speed. I think by getting listed, there is a lot of responsibility on the company, but I think you will help all your stakeholders as well as yourself to create a lot of wealth for your company, bring a lot of transparency in your company, bring a lot of corporate governance in your company, and become a role model for all the SME companies which will come in the future to get listed on this SME platform. As far as Bombay Stock Exchange is concerned and SME platform is concerned, I can assure you that we will extend all support in the future also to see that your company can run smoothly and become a very big company with a huge market capitalization. I once again wish you all the best in your future endeavor and become a great and big company. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, gentlemen. We are coming close to the gong ringing ceremony, but before we get there, let's formally appreciate the efforts of all those who actively participated and made this IPO a reality today. I request Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD CEO BSE, and Ajay Thakur, Head SME BSE, to now present a memento to Mr. Digvijay Dhabriya. I now request Mr. Dhabriya to present mementos to our dignitaries, inviting first Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan and Mr. Ajay Thakur. Requesting now Mr. Gaurav Jain and Pratik Jain, Director, Hem Securities Limited, to present mementos to Mr. Digvijay Dhabriya. Mr. Dhabriya to now present the memento to Mr. Pratik Jain. Yeah. And now, before we continue with the memento ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, it's time now for the most awaited moment of the ceremony. I request the officials on the dais to move to the podium. Let the countdown for the opening bell ceremony begin. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Congratulations, Dhabriya Polywood Limited is now listed on the BSE SME Exchange. Requesting everybody is present on the dais. Requesting Mr. Dhabriya to present memento to Mr. Yogesh Gautam at Narendra Sharma and Company. To receive the memento next, I invite on stage Mr. Amit Mundra at SS Rathi and Company. Inviting next on stage, Mr. Burzin Mehta, HDFC Bank Limited. Requesting now the presence of Mr. Sushil Behel, Raka Advertising and Marketing Private Limited. And requesting now the presence of Mr. Mahesh Jain, Orient Press Limited. Thank you, gentlemen. I now invite Ms. Payal Mundra to present the vote of thanks. Gentlemen, kindly take your seats.
Ladies and gentlemen, be it small, be it big, every task is accomplished because of endeavor of n number of people. The success of the IPO too is of the result of endeavor and hard work of all of you present here and the investor community who subscribe to it. Privileged and humbly honored to be asked to extend vote of thanks on this occasion of listing ceremony of equity share of Dhabriya Polywood Limited. Respected Mr. Ashish Ji Chauhan, Mr. Ajay Ji Thakur, dear sir, your kind presence here in spite of your busy schedule is the reflection of importance you attach to this event. On behalf of Hem Securities, I extend our sincere thanks for gracing this occasion. We express our gratitude to Mr. Digvijay Ji Dhabriya, Mr. Hitesh Agarwal and whole team of Dhabriya Polywood for giving us the opportunity to be part of the initial public offer of your company. Thank you for honor, sir. We extend our heartily thanks to all the intermediaries. To mention a few, Mr. Ashok Shetty, at Big Share, legal team of Mindsplit, Mr. Mahesh Jain at Orient Press, CA Yogesh Ji Gautam, CA Amit Ji Mundra and Ravi Jagitia at SS Rathi and Company. Thank you all for your constant support and tremendous cooperation. We are grateful towards the listing team at BSC for their strong support and endless help all the time. Thank you all. Last but not the least, big thanks to Mr. Shashi Navarkar, Mr. Deepak Chauhan at Raka Advertising and Marketing for making this event a grand success. Thank you everyone for your invaluable presence here. It means a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Mundra. And I once again take this opportunity to thank all of you for making this event successful with your presence and support. Kindly join us for refreshments hereafter and have a great day ahead.